Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to compress images for faster loading websites using TinyPNG in 2026. So if your website is slow because of heavy images, yeah, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, check which images on your website are making it slow. Large file sizes are usually the main reason pages load slowly. Next, open the TinyPNG website in your browser. So this free tool reduces image size without losing much quality. Now drag and drop your website images into TinyPNG. It will instantly start compressing them for you. So yeah, once compression is done, download the optimized images to your PC. These smaller files are perfect for fast websites. Next, upload the compressed images to your website and replace the original ones. This will immediately improve loading speed. Finally, test your website speed again. So, compressed images usually make pages load much faster and smoother. And that's how to compress images for faster loading websites using TinyPNG in 2026. Once you optimize your images properly, your website becomes faster and gives users a better experience. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more website optimization tutorials.